Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. DREAMINA is an amazing platform that's growing fast, and getting unlimited credits can really enhance your experience without breaking the bank. Step 1. Start by creating or logging into your DREAMINA account. Head to the official DREAMINA website and either sign up with your email or use an existing social media account. Make sure your profile is complete with accurate information because this helps you access premium features more easily. Step 2. Navigate to the credits or subscription section. Look for the store or payment area in your account settings. You'll see different credit packages and subscription options available for 2026. Take time to explore what each tier offers so you understand the value. Step 3. Take advantage of any promotional offers or seasonal deals currently running. DREAMINA frequently releases special bundles and limited-time discounts, especially around holidays and platform anniversaries. Check both the app and website for exclusive offers that might give you more credits for less money. Step 4. Consider signing up for their premium membership plan. This subscription typically gives you a monthly allotment of credits plus bonus credits when you upgrade. It's often the most cost-effective way to get unlimited access throughout the year. Step 5. Complete bonus activities and daily challenges within the platform. Many users overlook this, but DREAMINA rewards you with free credits just for using the platform. Log in daily, complete tasks, refer friends, and participate in community events to accumulate credits naturally without spending extra money.